I'm in, I'm in Sephora today. I'm in Sephora. I need some blush. I like wearing fresh face. So I plan on doing fresh face makeup videos. So I'm here in Sephora looking for some blush. There's a lot of big time beauty suppliers here, like Charlotte Tilbury here in Sephora. I did not realize at first that this whole display was just for Charlotte Tilbury. This Sephora is bigger than the one that I normally shop at. Here's some blushes right here, but I don't see any colors that I really like. So I just now I know this is Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm still looking for some more type of blush around the store. A lot of them are on the bottom shelves, and so I didn't see them. A lot of this makeup is new to me, NARS and stuff, and so the makeup I normally buy is in department stores like Ebony Fashion Fair and a lot of drug stores like Walgreens. This blush looks okay, but this right here, this is a popular one. What is this? I don't even want to say the word, but anyway. I don't really like that color, those colors. So I'm still shopping through the store. I usually shop online or like I said, at a different Sephora. So I'm kind of lost in here. I really am. And I'm kind of overwhelmed because there's so much makeup and I haven't been in a Sephora this big. I can barely put that back in there. So these shades, I didn't see any of them. They seemed too light. I just didn't like them. But they have a huge selection here, man. If you can't find no makeup here, I don't know what to say. That's my husband right there. Urban Decay. I never bought theirs before either. But it's nice to see such a big selection for women of color. That's a huge display, man. They have some huge displays in this store. Here's some more blush, but all of these blushes, they were like extra shimmery, or a lot of them seem more like a highlighter. Makeup has just changed so much over the last 2-3 decades, and so these right here are highlighters. They're pretty colors, but it's not what I was looking for. I'm still searching. Here's some pretty bronzers. These are nice. Rare Beauty, isn't that Selena Gomez makeup line, I think. And so I don't like her makeup. I think I tried one or something. I didn't like it. Or I saw someone do a review of it and they didn't have much good to say, but she has a big selection, so a lot of people like it, so it must be okay. So this is, I'm looking over here, this is Armani. Someone's asking me, do I need help? That's my husband helping me. He's so sweet. It's very kind. I call him the king of kindness. He's very kind to me. Always has been too. We still love, don't laugh. Okay, Sephora has their own collection too. I see that, which I didn't know. Here's some more blushes down here. Oh, these are bronzers. Blush plus bronzer. Still not what I'm looking for, but those were kind of cute. And this is Kiss Cosmetics or Kiss My Face. It's on the banner right there. It's on the screen. Those are really pretty. I'm surprised I didn't like those. I think I was just so overwhelmed by all the makeup. It takes a while, as you ladies know, it takes a while to find makeup. I was only in there probably 30 minutes. And so when you're looking for some good makeup, you have to take your time, put it on, and it's so expensive, especially at this store. Look at those eyelashes. I'm not a false eyelash girl. I've only worn false eyelashes a couple times my whole life. Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I finally found some blushes that I liked. It was cream. I don't really like cream. Well, I like cream, but I wasn't looking for cream. But these were so pretty, I couldn't help but get them. So I bought both of them. I bought 2 of them. They're very pretty, so I bought them anyway. And that little the little brush on the side. It's kind of hard not to buy it. This color right here was just a little too dark, but it's still pretty. If you blend it well, it's pretty. Maybe another time I'll get that one. I just didn't want it today because I'm hoping to be uploading some makeup videos soon here on my channel. So yeah. So I got the pink dahlia and the rose, soft rose. That's what I got. That's what I chose. They were $32. Anastasia Beverly Hills. They've been out a while, I think. Those are the 2 colors right there. They didn't have Kleenex lying around like they do at Bath & Body Works. Now here I'm trying to get some moisturizer for my face, and I saw this Spray On by Clinique. I like their products. I don't like gel moisturizer. I have some. It's been sitting in my cabinet for years. Still some good too. I just don't like them. I just don't like the way. I don't know. So here, that's the one I wanted to get. Someone put it in the wrong spot, and I wind up grabbing the wrong one. And so I have to exchange it for the spray. That's the Surge. I didn't want the Surge. And so here's some Fresh, a brand called Fresh. I never heard of them before. I don't know if they're new or whatever, but I smelled it. I didn't like it. So I had to put it back. I didn't like that one. That's Dermalogic, Fenty Skin. I don't like Rihanna's skin collection. I have my own makeup routine now, so I'm not saying things wrong with hers. And here's some little face mask that I saw. I still have one I haven't used yet. And so I didn't buy any. So that was it. I really enjoyed shopping there, but I was so overwhelmed. They have so much, but I'll definitely have to go back. So thank you for joining me here on God Given. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me at Sephora. Okay, I'm done. It's cold out here. It's my book, The Godly Woman's Guide to Your Outer Beauty. There's makeup tips in there, and I'll be sharing some of them, Lord's will, here on my channel, God Given. So your health is your wealth. So join me here for health, beauty, and financial tips. I'm going to be doing a lot of recipes and a lot of beauty tips sharing here. So join me.